Hi guys, Ralph here. I've been on eBay again. Maybe I should be addicted to shopping or something. There's quite a while ago I did a video on what I thought was my first game console. The Admin Model 3000 was the video. The Grandstand TV game. These are basically repackaged with different countries. France have a different, Germany different, America are different. They're all basically a Pong set. Or they play as a Pong set at least anyway. I was wrong on the 1000. I actually had this one as my first gaming console ever. I might have possibly had the Merlin as a play around, but this to plug into the TV is what the first one we had, because it was always just black and white. The 3000 was a colour edition, which meant they had, I think, 4 colour palette. They had green for the background, and they had yellow, possibly red, black and white. I don't think they're class them as a colour, but this was the first one. I went on eBay and I bought this. It was for a charity anyway, so I think it cost me £3.50. It should have gone for more than that, but that's the way these things go. Fully boxed, in bubble wrap. Well, it was in bubble wrap, I took it off, with the original instructions book. But I think the guarantee or something may have gone from this side, but it goes through the whole. It's a black and white video. I mean, granted, it's the early 70s. These were... You didn't really get much on colour, apart from maybe a different colour LED on the game, but they were expensive back then. Nowadays, you can buy a bag of LEDs for pennies. But all it is just a basic Pong set, football, tennis, it's a squash game, and here is how... It's an unlocked picture? I'm assuming this is a direct translation from the Chinese. I'm not going into that. It's too funny to do that. So, here is the console. And this is the first time I've opened this, because I've just left it. Original base there for the polystyrene. And by God, I hate polystyrene. So let's get rid of the box for a minute. No idea if this will work. Cable there for the coax, which I'll have to rig up to the television and tune in. Looking at this now, there's a clip there which basically springs forward and just holds this in place as it's in, and sometimes works. If it's strained, then it won't work. It might be cracked on the inside with it being old plastic, but just holds that on the front. It's missing. Actually, it's not missing there. It's in there. It's not fell off, so that can be repaired. This has still got the original plastic over this metal, yeah, metal front. The 3000, this part was black, but I can see the plastic over this. So that will be staying there. Paddles, that feels fine. That feels like it's had a little bit of use. Button works fine. It's not too stiff. I've had some ones that are really stiff, and that's the last double entendre for this video. But that feels quite... doesn't feel worn, it just feels spot on. But I bet you on the screen it's wobbling like crazy, because they're just very old parts. That one is a lot more double entendre warning. That's a bit more stiffer, but obviously somebody's been playing single player. But you have the serve button on this side and the reset button on that side. So your basic on off, that's the fast or slow for the speed of the ball going across the screen. Auto serve, which means you can sit there and just or you can be a bit sly when you're on player 2. Switch for the football, tennis, squash, practice, which means one player on the game board, you're playing squash against the wall, so you're basically throwing a ball against a wall. 20 degrees and 40 degrees is the angle it will bounce off the walls with. It's like having a level 1, level 2. Large and small means the size of the bat goes from that side to that side. Well, yeah, but double size of the balls makes it trickier to do. So the easiest one would probably be slow, autosave on. 20 degrees, is that? You know, yeah, because 40 will go up and down the screen quite a lot. The other will just kind of go at a certain angle, and then a large bat. It's not in bad condition at all, this. A little bit of cleaning could do with, but other than that, it's fine. Now let's look at the dreaded Has it had batteries in, and have the batteries leaked? Oh, hello, hello, hello. Not a single corrosion at all. That looks like new. Yeah, that's even got the plastic over there as well. 9 volts. You basically put, I think they were the medium-sized batteries in. There were AAA's, AA's, then there were the C batteries, and these are D batteries. These are C ones. Even though it says UM2, didn't really change them back then. But it's strange how it runs on 9 volt DC, but then your AC adapter has to be 9 volt. You don't usually get 9 volt AC, but you did back then. I have a power supply for this already, so I can run 9 volts AC without an issue. So let's, I'm going to try this one without stripping it down, because if this works, actually as well, the foam on there has never been, a little bit of yellow in there, probably from the glue, but most ones I get of these are already battery leaked and they've been complete nightmares. Right, let's plug this in. Let's see if this works. Let's see if I have to do any other videos on this to see if I can get it fixed. I was trying to do one with a composite mod, which, thanks to the there we are. Thanks to the Future Was 8-bit for supplying the composite mod bits. These basically I wanted to put audio and video coming out of here, and then I was experimenting with the 3000, possibly might have blown it up, but I've got 3 3000s, all bought myself, not donated. One works perfect and I ain't touched it yet. So I might actually attempt to do a composite mod on the back of this. I mean, this is just here as a practice to see where I can solder to, and then to plug it into the television to see if I've got it working. But I've got a few of these lying around because I want to do a lot of other composite mods, as much as I can possibly do to get away with. So, right, let's find a power supply. And let's get this plugged in. Plugged in. Right, this is an actual proper 9 volt transformer I've got from one of the Grandstands anyway. So this does work. I don't feel like cables on these. They actually feel kind of still, not sticky, but still flexible, like they are quite new. And if I'd known that these things don't really reproduce very well, then I'd have said this as a copy. But, okay, fine. Let's try. Just turn it on. Just I can't see this. Every one I've had so far, they've been a little bit iffy or something's been wrong. Let's turn it on. Oh. Let me turn you around. The picture quality is a little bit iffy. Turn that off. But I took that down to my television. That's not bad at all. Reset. Reset button works. Where are the bats? Oh, hello. That's actually really good quality, that. There you go. There's no jerkiness at all from the movement. It is so smooth. I'm trying to do it slowly. You can see there. I'm just doing it really steadily. There you go. There's a little bit of creeping down there. That's as slow as it gets. But normally, look at that. For something this old. Let me do the 20 degrees. Ah, you cheat. Oh. There you go. That's on 20 degrees or 40 degrees mode. It gives you it goes different angles. Bat size goes smaller, fast and slow. Auto serve stops it being annoying as much. But yeah. Save button. There's a little bit of jumping with the screen every so often. I don't know if that's down to the actual... The snowflake's there because I'm moving the coax socket. Perhaps I could replace that, because it's just a bit... It's not perfectly in, but if I do a composite mod on that, that's going to be... I don't know. Yeah, I'm quite chuffed with this. Little tiny things that could do with being done on this. But other than that... Yeah. Other than that, it's absolutely spot on. I can't really fault it. So, on one part, it's a shame that I don't have to do anything major to this. If I could get my camera straight, I'll be impressed. But on another part, it's like, yeah, I've got my old game console back, and I have to do nothing to it. Maybe a little bit of clean-up. There you go. There you go, that's restored for you. Thank you very much for watching, bye. But no, it does, apart from maybe that piece of plastic in there, that's going to annoy me a little. Hold on. I can't see, there's something inside here. On the back end of the battery compartment inside here, I can see something, I just can't show you on camera. There's something there, a little lighting. But yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, bangers at a restore series. It's still working. Damn you for not letting me restore you. But thank God for that. I had a problem with the 3000 before. I remember we were talking to Chrissy about it, and it was just, he got a 2000, but it was the 3000 that had an issue. I'd blown a resistor, and I didn't know what type to get to try and replace it, try and see if that what the problem was. And yeah, this needs absolutely nothing. So sorry, but end of video. End of video in a good way. So thanks for watching. I hope, yeah, I'm gonna keep playing this actually for the next, what have we got? Yeah, it's still daylight, let's have a play. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, I'll catch you out there, social media and Discord and whatever else. If you want to be a Patreon, please help me out with if you want to send something to me. I would love it if you could send something. If not, I'll see you in the next video. I'll strip something else down, hopefully. I'll see you then. Bye for now.